up, guys? Today is Friday, October 18th, and it's chilly this morning. About 50 degrees right now. A little later in the morning, but chilly just the same. 50 degrees is chilly for here. Still riding with a vintage jacket. Should be about 60 degrees when I go home this evening, so shouldn't be too bad. It's supposed to be nice and clear, sunny. It's a good day to ride. I know a lot of you are finishing up your rides for this season up north. It's getting colder, faster. Some of you already got snow, and I'm sure we'll get some middle of the winter, but for right now it's just probably going to be a little chilly. So today I'm just heading to work. This is my regular commute. And I'm bringing you guys along with me. Most likely it will be uneventful, but all the same, we get to ride the bike, and it's a Friday, so that's always good. So let's talk about winter upgrades, mods, maintenance. What do you guys got planned? What am I planning to do? So as far as mods go, what I'd like to do, I'd like to put on some 2-inch rocks risers, the anti-vibration. That's probably one of the number one things. What else? I'd like to get some actual bark busters. These little plastic things that come on the bike are pretty good for wind and keeping the cold air off your hands, but as far as actual protection, there's nothing there. So if you're off-road, drop your bike, etc., you could break a brake lever, break a clutch lever. You could hurt your hand if you hit a tree. So, bark busters, the rocks risers, a good ram mount. I'd like to actually get a good ram mount system, because right now I'm using this, as you can see on my upper KLR dash there. Still using dual lock to attach my phone with a rubber band, which works, but it actually works pretty darn good. And if I do get a ram mount, I'd probably like to have it in the same spot. It looks really good right there. It's up in my view. I don't have to glance away from the road too far to actually see my GPS or whatever I need to do. So I'm going to think about how I can mount that. And maybe a ram mount's not the way if it's going to be up that high. I don't know. Something to think about. What else? jetting. I may do some jetting on the car. I do have a Lex pipe, and the previous owner put the Lex pipe on but did not do the jetting. It seems to be fine for me. It seems to run pretty good. It runs a little rich. I can actually smell it. To me, it smells rich anyway. So one of the things I want to do is pull a plug, see what it looks like, and possibly do some jetting to help out with that. Anything else? Let me see. Possibly the JNS. I think it's JNS, the lower foot pegs. That might help me out since I'm a tall guy. Yeah, you just jump on out there, buddy. That's about it that I have in the works. So what do you guys have? What are you thinking about for your winter mods, upgrades? Well, maintenance. I'm going to do some maintenance, so I'm sure I'll probably do an oil change and complete chain cleaning and proper lube. I think that's pretty much it, though. I might change the plug, depending on what it looks like. I've got about 4,600 miles on this bike now. So, it's well broke in, and no real issues, but plenty of life left in it, so I want to make sure we take care of them. Bikes really last as long as you make them last, so maintenance is, bikes they're made to take a beating and abuse, and don't necessarily need to be babied, but you do need to do the maintenance if you want the motor to last a long time. You guys getting 20 and 30,000 miles on these bikes, I'm sure most of you did the maintenance. I feel sorry for you guys up north right now. It's getting really cold and can't really get out on the bike unless you're doing it in the snow. But I'm sure commutes and leisurely rides are pretty much off the table for those guys up in Canada, and I don't know, Mason's probably still riding. love to get in front of her. She seems a little pokey, but I just didn't want to pull any crazy stunts. There we go. Resume commute. Guys, I appreciate you watching, and yeah, let me know what you think about wintertime, what you're going to do to the bike, or what you're going to do to your dual sport, your adventure bike, or your KLR. Upcoming mods, upgrades, new Farkles, maintenance. Let's hear it, guys. Thanks for riding along with me. Appreciate the likes and subscribes. Talk to you guys later.